Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain about SLA or Service Level Agreement in Apache Airflow. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So, Service Level Agreement in Apache Airflow is the maximum amount of time that your task can use. And if it takes more than that time, you will receive a notification. So task will be not cancelled. You only receive the notification that your task not comply con service level agreement. To use SLA in Apache Airflow, inside your DAG, you need to set a parameter SLA miss callback. And you can set, for example, your custom function that will notify you, or just use an email. If you want to choose an email, you need to configure it inside the Airflow configuration file. You search for email, and then you need to set the username, the password, and everything else. And if you want to create a custom function, for example, we will use my function. We need to define it. Custom my function SLA. And inside this function, you need to put your logic. You can send an email, some other type of notification, etc. In our case, we just use a print statement. Inside the argument for the function, we need to set always like the task list, blocking list, slash blocking this. So after that, you need to set a time limit for your operator. Like for example, SLA time delta hours 1. So for example, if this task take more than 1 hour, this function will execute. You can declare only one function for SLA, but inside the function you can create if else or some other logic. So based off which task failed SLA, you do something different, because you will have all information that you need about which task failed. But really task not failed. They just don't comply SLA. But inside the Airflow UI, it will not say that the task is failed. Just to make it clear. If you want to disable SLA completely, you can change the configuration file. Airflow.cfg. You search for SLA and then you set this to false. So if this video was useful, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and let me know how I can improve my videos. Thank you for watching.